Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus launched on September 2023 with a price tag of $999. The Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,099. The body dimensions: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus, height 6.44 inches, width 3.11 inches, thickness 8.1 mm. The Honor Magic 6 Pro dimensions: height 6.4 inches, width 2.98 inches and thickness 8.9 mm. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus weight 225 gram and the Honor Magic 6 Pro weight 225 gram. The build of these devices: the both devices come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display type: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color, and the same Honor Magic 6 Pro LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. And the screen size: Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 6.8 inches and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 6.82 inches, and the both device come with 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty. Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 440 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 453 PPI dynasty. The refresh rate is same in both devices, 120Hz. Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 88.5% of screen to body ratio and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 91.6% of screen to body ratio. And the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 2 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Jorhino Glass protection. Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5000 nits peak of brightness and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup, main sensor 48 megapixel with f1.4 to f4.0 and the 40 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Honor Magic 6 Pro comes with triple camera setup, main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 180 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The front camera: the both devices come with dual camera, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 13 megapixel and a TOF 3D biometric sensor with 4K 60 fps video record. And the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 50 megapixel selfie camera with TOF 3D biometric sensor and 4K 30 fps video record. The platform of these devices: the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with octa-core Titan big CPU and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4. Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Kirin 9000 S7nm chipset and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Melon 910 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Adreno 750. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Android 14 Magic OS 8 operating system, and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with Harmony OS 4.0 operating system. The memory of these devices: the both devices come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 12GB and 1TB of internal storage, and Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. And Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus supported nano memory card, and Honor Magic 6 Pro no SD card supported. Let's go to the battery backup. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5600 mAh battery and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus come with 5000 mAh battery. And the fast charging: Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus supported 88 watt fast charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro support 80 watt fast charging. Honor Magic 6 Pro supported 66 watt wireless charging and the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus have 50 watt wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Huawei Mate 60 Pro Plus got 21 points and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 26 points.